camping ke Adivasi. I've gone to Great Acacia. I've gone was to Malaysia. I've gone to be
Peaceful.
and multicultural and multi-culturation. I'm wishing to
Everyone.
everyone
The happiest
a happy
Independent Day.
Independent Day.
May this
May this year
be
be a successful and
prosperous
prosperous
year
year
for everyone.
for everyone.
Happy
Happy National Day 2023. Merdeka, Merdeka, Merdeka. Goodbye.
My name is Hakim bin Abdulhamid from Acacia. Today is a historic day to our country. So I would like to wish Happy Independence Day to all teachers and friends.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Nur Amira Safina binti Syakriman from 5 Adenum. I'm grateful to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for being able to live a peaceful and harmonious life in my beloved country, Malaysia. Therefore, with the spirit of patriotism, I want to invite you to feel the harmony that has been achieved so far for the sake of our beloved country, and at the same time dignify the agenda to build the nation. Happy Independence Day 2023. Independence, independence, independence. From Kelantan to Melaka, resting in the town of Kuantan. It has been 66 years since Malaysia became independent, living in peace without pain. Thank you.